Welcome to AccuQuiltable Block Maker. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to bring your quilt block to life by changing colors and applying fabric textures. Let's get started. First, let's change the colors of our quilt block. Select the quilt block or an individual shape by clicking on it. If needed, click Ungroup to edit pieces individually. Click the Sequence tab on the right panel to view all block pieces. Click the plus sign next to a segment to expand and see all shapes in that block. Select a shape, then right-click a color in the color bar to apply the new color. Want more control over your color selection? Customize the color toolbar by following the instructions in your Block Maker manual on page 51. Click the green plus to add color chips and the red minus to remove color chips. Change a color chip by clicking on the chip, selecting a new color, and clicking OK. Notice that if the color is being used in the design and the chip color is changed, the color also changes in the design. Now let's add some fabric textures to our design. Select a shape and open the Fabric tab in the right side panel. Browse through the built-in fabric library to choose a pattern. Click a fabric swatch to apply it to the selected shape. Want to see how your own fabrics would look? Upload custom fabric swatches. Right-click the fabric library and select Add. Choose an image file of your fabric and click Open. Your fabric will now be available in the Fabric tab for future use. Learn more about the fabric icon in the Fabric Management tutorial. To ensure your fabric appears correctly in your design, use the Rotation tool in the Fabric tab to adjust the pattern's angle. Modify the scale to make the fabric design larger or smaller. Click Apply to finalize changes. Once you've perfected your colors and fabrics, don't forget to save your work. Click File, Save As, and select a C2S file to allow for future edits. If you want to add this block to your library, save it as a piece or quilt block under File, Special Files, Save Piece or Block. That's it. Now you know how to change colors, apply fabrics, and customize your quilt block in AccuQuiltable Block Maker. Want to learn more? Visit AccuQuilt.com for additional tutorials and inspiration. Happy quilting!